bought this block of land with the dream of building our dream home on it. And I dreamed about what it was going to look like and how it would feel.
The client came to us wanting security screens that did not look like security screens. They wanted something to complement the architectural aspects of the house, but security was still a really important factor in that. We chose Prowler-proof force field for this for a number of reasons, mainly obviously the clear view out through the doors, also the fact that we could make the doors without mid-rails. One of the reasons we've installed the hinge window system is the multi-point locking. We were able to also use the hidden installation technology that's exclusive to Prowler-proof that has all concealed fixings, so there's no visible fixings from the outside. Prowler-proof manufacture everything to the Australian standards for security screens, and we also install to the Australian standards.
Most people, when they come over to visit, they'll come into that living space, and when we actually point out to them, oh, have you seen these hinge security screens we've got? Often they're like, haven't even noticed that the screens are there, and that's exactly what we were looking for.
This has been a really great project to work on. It really showcases the best of our industry, the best of our products, and it's great to see people come around to this house and walk through it and not even knowing that there's security screens on there because they're so transparent.
We're so happy living in our house and the end result we've achieved.